BESTTEN dimmer switch provides smooth, sliding, and full-range dimming performance for dimmable LED, CFL, halogen, and incandescent bulbs. The slider can dim and brighten your lights precisely and conveniently, creating a romantic mood or a casual atmosphere for family activities. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Supports single pole or three-way applications, decor wall plate included. Only one dimmer switch can be installed per three-way circuit. Number 2. LED dimmer light switch, provides the best dimming performance for LED bulbs. Simple and elegant horizontal slider dims and brightens with ease for full-range light control. Number 3. Adjuster dial. Ensures compatibility with almost all dimmable LED, CFL, incandescent, and halogen bulbs. Up to 150 watts of dimmable LED, CFL lamps or 600 watts of incandescent bulbs. Number 4. Smart rocker. On/off rocker switch remembers the last dimmed light setting and turns on to that exact light level. Number 5. 3-year warranty. All listed. Note: the dimming range of dimmable LEDs may vary from manufacturer to manufacturer. This dimmer has an adjustable dimming range. Please rotate the side adjustment wheel to eliminate flicker issues. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can we use these dimmers with LEDs that require 0 to 10V dimming control? Driver, 120 to 277V. Answer: yes, it can install in a 120V circuit and control 0 to 10V dimmable LED lights. Question number 2. I am replacing incandescent dimmer switches. These LED switches are 2.12 inches wide. My existing switches are 1.75 inches wide. Can they be trimmed? Answer: the side tabs can be removed, which will reduce the width to 1.75 inches. Question number 3. Are these all listed? Answer: yes, they are all listed. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.